Gentilini's group story starts in 1967 in a garage near Bologna, right in the middle of Motor Valley, thanks to Tullio Gentilini and his technical and business abilities. He created a grinding and third-party processing workshop which became soon an important reference for his work sector. Thanks to all values passed by his father Tullio, Massimiliano Gentilini and all his collaborators reached soon the global market. In 2004, a new company was created, Gentilini Power Train. Its purpose is to support the first company with the production of racing components and similar. Today, those components are present in many engines of various sectors such as aviation, motorcycling, motor racing sector, recreational, nautical, and industrial machines. The company is specialized in camshafts, crankshafts, and other powertrain components, both for production and grinding services. We collaborate with the customer for the choice of materials, heat treatments, and finishing components according to their needs. Our technical office helps the client also during the planning phase and for their product's technology development with high flexibility and reactivity. But the company's greatest resource is our people. That's why in GPT we say, nobody wins alone. The group's philosophy is to grow the company by training all employees, so our customers can achieve the results of our growth too. That's why in 2021 we created Gentilini Academy, an internal school for professional training and soft skills dedicated to our workers. For the future, GPT has a dream to become the #1 company in the world for the production of high-performance mechanical components.